and shuffle. Bars are closed. That's what it is, you and me.
Will the real Slim Shady please stand up?
The door and turn and say Elvira. Maybe I was born in the blue, so I his mama's rice and gravy. You like me. You'd have to pry crawfish dip out of my cold, dead hands. Perfect. Hey, I haven't cut any fingers yet. No promises. My lemon! Ah! Oh shit. I've still got all my fingers, so we're fine. Are we pirates? What happened?
What?
I don't want to know what my problems are right now.
Wee wee.
That's the look of judgment.
Shall we?
Love it.